Look, you've probably spent countless hours staring at your screen by now, generating enough pictures of cyberpunk cats to fill a literal art gallery. And honestly, you know your way around ChatGPT better than anyone else you know. You are officially an AI hobbyist. But let's be totally honest with each other for a second here. Are you actually making any real money from it yet?
Well, welcome to this explainer, because today we're going to completely change that. What if you could take those exact skills you already possess and transition them into a tangible service? Something that businesses will gladly pull out their credit cards for. And the best part? What if you could do the whole shebang without needing to spend a single dollar on software or subscriptions or ads? Today, we're making the leap from just tinkering with AI to launching a real zero-cost service business. Okay, let's dive right into this. On the agenda today, we're looking at 3 high-demand, zero-cost business models: the AI-powered content service, the AI automation agency, and the AI consultant and auditor. Starting with number 1, the AI-powered content service, which is by far the most accessible entry point. If you're a beginner looking to get your feet wet, this is absolutely the best place to start. And to make sure you can act on this immediately, we're going to break down each hustle using a really simple framework: problem, promise, proof, and process. So starting with the problem, local business owners are amazing experts at their craft, right? Baking cakes, selling houses, fixing cars, but they are not content creators. It's a massive, time-consuming nightmare for them, so your promise is beautifully simple. You deliver 30 days of high-quality social media content, so they literally never have to think about it again. Now, this requires a pretty massive mindset shift. If you walk into a bakery and try selling, AI content generation to an owner who still uses sticky notes as their CRM, their eyes are just going to glaze over. You aren't selling the tool itself. Instead, you're selling consistency, time saved, and peace of mind. You are basically taking a giant throbbing headache completely off their plate. But how do you get them to trust you? Simple, by building a portfolio before you even have a portfolio. Here's what you do. You pick 3 local businesses, maybe a coffee shop, a real estate agent, and a local gym. You use the free version of ChatGPT to generate a week of post ideas and captions. Then you hop over to the free version of Canva to whip up some simple, clean graphics. You organize the whole thing into a polished Google Doc. When you pitch, you're showing them tangible proof. And let me tell you, this instantly separates you from 99% of beginners who only talk about what they could do. Okay, let's run through the zero-cost process real quick. Step 1, you onboard them with a free Google form just to learn their brand voice. Step 2, content creation. This is where you really shine. You literally tell ChatGPT, act as a witty, high-energy social media marketer for a local coffee shop, and you just watch it instantly generate incredibly engaging captions. Step 3, drop those right into your Canva templates. Step 4, deliver or schedule the content using a Google Sheet or free native tools like Meta Business Suite. It is an incredibly smooth workflow, and again, it costs you absolutely nothing. And to put the financial potential into perspective, here's a surprising fact. Established providers routinely charge between $300 and $1,000 a month for this exact service. But because your AI systems are doing the heavy lifting here, you're realistically looking at just a few hours of actual work per client per month. Moving on to number 2, the AI automation agency. This is what we call the high ceiling hustle. So this model does have a slightly higher learning curve, but the income potential is massive because you're plugging very expensive leaks. The core problem here is that businesses are completely drowning in manual data entry. Manually moving things from emails to spreadsheets, and they are losing valuable leads because of it. Your promise is to step in as their efficiency partner, using your skills to automate those tedious systems so they capture those lost leads and finally reclaim their time. Now, what's really interesting here is the massive difference in how you pitch this. Please don't be the person saying, I sell AI chatbots. That's just a feature. Nobody cares. Be the person who says, I build automated follow-up systems to capture leads. Now that is a powerful, outcome-driven promise that speaks directly to a business owner's bottom line. To prove you can actually do this, you need to build a living demonstration. Go sign up for the free tier of a highly accessible tool like Make or Zapier. Set up a simple flow. Capture a dummy web form submission into a Google Sheet and use that to trigger a personalized AI-generated response via Gmail. Then, just record your screen showing exactly how this works. In just 2 minutes, that quick little video becomes your undeniable proof of value. Here's your process. Step 1, ask questions to find a frustrating bottleneck.
Step 2, design a low-cost solution using those accessible tools like Zapier or Make. Step 3, propose a simple pilot project. And Step 4, build and implement it. I really want to emphasize that asking the right questions in Step 1 about what's frustrating them is the real secret sauce here. When you propose that pilot project, pitch it for a flat $500. But here's the hook. Offer a money-back guarantee. Seriously, if it doesn't capture leads or save them time in 30 days, they don't pay. Why do this? Because a zero-risk proposition like this easily gets your foot in the door for a much larger monthly retainer later on. And finally, number 3, the AI consultant and auditor. This is the strategist's play. If you're someone who loves the high-level strategy of AI and wants a business model based almost entirely on the knowledge you already have in your head right now, this is for sure your model. The core problem here is pure AI anxiety. Business owners are hearing about AI constantly. They feel like they're falling way behind, but they are totally overwhelmed by all the options. They just have no strategy. Your promise is to cure that anxiety by delivering total clarity through an AI opportunity audit. You basically become the guide, handing them a clear map for the future. For this hustle, your proof is literally your process. You're going to create a highly professional AI audit template. It should include sections for a current workflow analysis, identified bottlenecks, AI solution recommendations, and an implementation priority matrix. Presenting this structured document proves your professionalism before you even begin. Actually, you can even turn a simplified version of this into a free mini audit quiz just to generate some easy leads. The workflow here is just classic consulting. Step 1, a 45-minute discovery call where you basically just listen and take great notes. Step 2, analyze those notes to identify 3 to 5 high-impact areas. Step 3, create a customized roadmap recommending free or low-cost tools. Step 4, present the roadmap. And what's absolutely amazing about this is that the presentation naturally turns a one-off audit into a lucrative ongoing project. Because at the end, the client almost inevitably asks, "So, can you just build this for me?" And for the audit itself, just for handing them the plan, you can confidently charge a baseline flat fee of $499. You're delivering immediate, massive value by providing a solid strategy before any actual tech is even built. So the crucial point that ties all 3 of these hustles together is this massive paradigm shift. You are not selling AI, you are selling outcomes. The technology, whether it's ChatGPT, Make, Canva, those are just the vehicles. The destination you are selling is save time, incredible efficiency, and a drastic reduction in your client's daily stress. It is time to stop just playing around with AI and start solving real problems. You already possess the skills. The tools we talked about are completely free to use. The only thing missing right now is your decision to cross that threshold from being just an enthusiast to an active problem-solving business owner. So, I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Which hustle will you pitch today? Are you going to be the content creator, the automation agency, or the strategic consultant? Pick one model right now. Build your proof using the free tools we just went over, and go find your first small business client. Your first paying gig is honestly so much closer than you realize. Get out there and start building.